Hey Jason, so there's definitely something wrong with the integration. So I don't know why it's not all coming through. But basically, so in Zapier is just a program where you can connect two APIs to each other, or two programs to each other, and it just automates that process. So here I've got whenever someone in Facebook triggers this lead or fills out that lead form, then it should add them into Miriam's Infusionsoft. Now, this is where the setup of it is. So email, this just pulls everything from all the details and all the fields that are in the lead form. So I've got email, that's correct. First name, and then the lead source. I don't know if we need that. But all the way down here where the questions are. So I can see, so this is pulling all the questions or all the fields that you guys have created previously in Infusionsoft. So I just don't know if I've got the right ones selected. I think I thought I had, but maybe you can check on your end and make sure they are. So we've got, when are you interested in starting your own business? So then I've pulled in the when are you interested in starting your own business field from the lead form. Same with, are you currently employed? Are you currently employed? Do you have 5K to get started? Do you have 5K to get started? That should be there. I'm interested in starting my own business. I don't have that on the lead form. So it's just those 4 questions. So the best time to contact you as well. So that seems to be coming through. Now, I don't know why it's not working. I've just updated that. So maybe check that again. So the custom fields, what is the best time to contact? When are you ready to get started? Are you currently employed? So actually in the test here I can see that do you have 5K to invest right now isn't added. So that's why it's not working. I don't know. I think you might need to create that field in the back end of Infusionsoft or connect that up. But let me know how you go with that, man. I don't know why it's not working. It's got to be something on Infusionsoft's end. So maybe just if you Google or check out how to integrate Facebook lead forms and Infusionsoft, that might give you a bit more info. And then I know it's through Zapier, so I can help you set that up. But let me know if you need help. Thanks.